Hello everyone. Now in this I'm going to demonstrate weather app using HTML and JavaScript. For this you have to create one weather folder and you have to maintain these files: index file, script file, and style. This is completely related to HTML and this is completely related to JavaScript. In this input validation will be observed, and here it is completely related to cascading style sheet. Okay, this is your home page and this is JavaScript. Okay, now I am going to explain code how you are going to work on the same. You have to be more sound enough with HTML code, then you are able to understand what's going on actually. First of all, you have to prepare some weather app. For this, you have to write effective HTML code. For this, you have to start with HTML, English language, and you have to write in head. In head, you have to mention width and everything, where it is going to navigate styles.css. And here you are going to mention title. This is related to weather app, and here you have to mention text, and you have to mention your particular city, and you have to enter city name. This is created with some button. What is your button name? Get weather. Okay, and it is going to take the source with script1.javascript and go back to your previous one. Please understand this one. Your home page is ready, and next you have to write JavaScript with proper validation. You have to use this method document.get element by id, and it is going to read the particular city weather. And here you are going to write API key, and here you have to open weather map. I'm going to demonstrate this step. Please observe carefully. Open weather app. Okay, and please click on that. In the last video also same concept, but what is the new thing you are going to observe here? And this is completely related to your individual one, and you are going to write HTML code. In the previous video in my channel I demonstrated only Python. Okay, and here you have to click on my API keys, my API keys. Okay, and here you have to submit. Please log in with your credentials, and this is your API key. Please copy this one in your particular script, then only it is going to validate. If you don't mention this one, you can't get weather temperature, and you are going to get all the details using fetch, and it is going to give proper response by writing then. And if you are writing this condition, it is going to read with a particular one, and finally it is going to record the temperature, and it is going to describe sunny clouds. Okay, and it is going to navigate to the next one. If it is not read properly, then it can't read, and city not found will be coming. And if you are going to get error, and you are going to get console dot error, and this is the way you have to work with the script. Now come back to the next one. Styles. Cascading style should play an important role here. You have to write everything: color, container, input, button, and please mention all dimensions. And this will be populated with weather results. Based on this, you are going to record the particular temperature. Okay, this is the way you have to work on the same. So I want to show you the execution part. This is your home page. So please click on this one. Okay, assume that you take the city Hyderabad. So spelling mistake. Yes. If you are residing in Delhi, suppose you are giving some DTD, some city not found. So this is the perfect execution of weather app. Don't think that same video I have done in different way. Only thing here I'm using HTML. My previous long video I applied Python. Okay, please follow up with this channel. Definitely some benefit will be there. Okay, keep watching. Thank you for watching.